Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade curl because I was facing an issue while installing Brew and I was prompted to upgrade this curl tool. So let's check the current version, which is this one, 7.29. So I need to download a most recent version. For doing that, I'm going to use wget and I'm going to download the version 7.78. Here, I already have this curl package, so I'm going to uncompress it. Okay, here as you can see, I already uh, uncompressed this tar file. So I will need to compile from scratch. For doing that, I have this. So I need to do this .configure with SSL. Let's do that. Okay, let's wait to compile all the code. Okay, it just finished to compile all the code and configure all the requirements. So I'm going to do this make. It will compile the remaining code. Okay, it just finished. Now I'm going to make install command. Okay, it just finished. Now we can check the version. And as you can see, now I have this 7.78 version. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.